Please subscribe, like, and share.
With the Bank of Ghana for us, I've seen a gentleman. I saw I'm sorry, the Freedom Coin.
Freedom Coin.
What's the name of that gentleman?
I hear
Cheddar or
Cheddar. And Omo Facebook will see the video. Jumedia Omu Jumedia na course or Independence Square no. Over Facebook I will video no. I'm wondering where I am ranting and Maba way free.
Well,
but there were quite a number.
Well, the people who manage such sacred places, the crown, the museums and Independence Square, places of relevance and of much better history. No, they don't really understand.
How do they give it out?
They don't understand why those places, maybe a light June for this animal. They don't understand why maybe they are managers or handlers of that facility. But I have just read on my Joy Online. I've read on my Joy Online with impunity. What he's telling the Bank of Ghana with impunity. I don't feel so or above the laws of Ghana now. What's the name? Because he everything. Yeah, who is he? People should not have a certain exalted view of themselves. Yes. Please. Who are you? And we will be paying what this country Ghana. Na Ghana for Mutie. Who knew not so do who go for frasa no man na yeka wasem. Now be just abai bi na ye.
It abai bi metua o ka.
It abai bi metua o ka. And we will be paying here. But who is he? I want to know to call the bluff of the whole Ghana, the power vested in Bank of Ghana. Who is he? And you buy Shanghai, and over say Obiajuma, and you become Obiasha, and a Ghana is on your pianist from what do you mean? If the space was not regulated and has not been regulated all this while, and go to Ghana, and go to Ghana. That they should go and think about the dollar increasing. Yeah. Think about becoming a good citizen who will fall under the rules and regulations of a Maya or PM. Not with such impunity and disrespect. So Obama go ahead. So Obama also Obama go ahead. People talk as if they brought Ghana to action, to being. As if say Omo Ghana. Are you the president? Even the president is subjective to I am ready to mine. Yes, so you must basa. Na be basa. Na agin sem basa. The vulnerability of young men and young women who so pledgement. No mu die chire basa. Ebe you chom so be mpo be chire basa. Na bibia basa. That's how we are running this country. The agency that is mandated by the laws of this country, Ghana, anything financial, you got nurse. You got nurse. To call the bluff of a Bank of Ghana. Who is that guy? And what do you think it is? When we build things around people because the friend of mine in the Kwabena Santi, it's all the Ghana constitution and India for the Ghana for Atnasia Junior Yeno. Sahadian or no Kwabena Santi or Bruce, Ghana for Kwabena non do a Bruce. Yes, it's so my sir. If you are introducing a system or a facility or whatever, a currency, I also to say. Ebeti mi abu ama man here the why go fit here now koye wadi ufiti na koye wadi so otre o man ni mu obia ye de opa ana otine mu anka ba na ono onya ba bia obenya space cratering. We shouldn't do this to ourselves. The arrogance and impunity in this country is just getting out of hand. Why?
Too much. And for me, Oman,
why?
It comes down to one thing, sir. In Ghana, we claim to want to fight corruption.
Why?
But it is a country we don't question people's source of wealth. Into Obiaba, irrespective of Nipani, when yeska.
Now everybody's worshipping.
Nothing happens.
Everybody's worshipping.
Obian question the source of wealth.
Everybody's worshipping.
In Wabasa, we created Freedom Coin. or they launch it.
Just
like that.
Bravery. I'm surprised.
When you're Independence Square on the same day.
A lot of things as a country.
On the same day, now on penny and a pound for.
Can you imagine?
Air market 65th anniversary, no swag Independence
Square. And the managers of such a facility.
Eddie Amano. You don't question what he's going to use it to do. Nothing. Near the Amano. For a validation, because all your Independence Square.
Yeah, because that is serious. Yeah. It's now so mind the crown, baby, I 2 million crown, or no, what you make to a disadvantage, man. Now, Bank of Ghana, crab, Ghana, for Coqua. Who see a terrible concern with income, now can't jump so. I feel kind of maybe who catch them some $100. My brother, you are a joke. If you care to know, you are a joke. I don't want to worship people. You are a joke. Woman in Tiasia, or your Bema. Go ahead, no idea, because the country is not regulated by names. It's regulated by the Constitution, supreme.
I think that the Bank of Ghana should go a step further. This time, we don't have to allow things to happen. Oh, of course.
Now that the press conference are going to a disco, what do you mean by that? What do you mean by that? If people are dealing in that currency, crypto, if people are dealing in whatever coin, the Bank of Ghana regulated that space. Might say, as we speak this afternoon, or my Ghana illegal. What's your problem?
Yeah.
Now who would have been? You would have been. What is it? Oh, person Ghana in us or no knowing as a four. I'll bet your treasure or no regulated Bank of Ghana. What is saying? People should just cut off their egos. They are nobodies before God and man. Any Ghanaian who brings a good venture that is in accordance with the laws of the land, we will sit here and support. What do you mean?
We've always done that. You
can call the bluff of Ghana.
Yeah.
Who Ghana any other subset? Who now be down with Ghana? Now you Bank of Ghana from now small boy. Please. I'm surprised that people will fall foul to this and go and blame government that Abarina a year no bebu me na Abarina. Ebi say you come kwa you. Ebi say you come a yen kra.
Men's gold as I'm saying can you.
Ebi say you come a yen. Amu asato amu completely.
A man for Juma bo.
Because we don't hold people responsible in this country. Yeah. People continue to take advantage of the space. Not to why no be the coin be when you know what is sound your money now bam. I did bet now to say good was a good for the I say we are account. Now how can we are you normal? Bank of Ghana cross saying this time. Ya count one summer can't come at this time come
yeah. I didn't notice about air question obia. But you find that still some Ghanaians will go ahead.
Why?
Ebi me go ahead akoye.
Why?
If you go ahead, another guy say, "Oh, and first time movers, they will come to me. Why? You don't know what you are entering. Now do you see I mean, Charlie.
Why?
We have to be a bit.
There's too much indiscipline. There's too much impunity in this country. It's about the laws of the land. It's not about Omahini Kwabna Sante. It's not about the Bediako guy. It cannot be about the constitution person. No.